How to check your PC or laptop for viruses. So in this video I will tell you that how you can actually scan your system or scan the files in your system if they contain any kind of viruses. So there are like different methods that how you can actually scan your system. The first one is actually like going step by step and scanning all of your files. So here you can see that I am right now in my download folder here, because when we actually download any file from internet, it is most likely that they contain any kind of virus with them. Okay, so here I am in the download folder, and let's scan this file. Okay, so I will just right click on this one, and then you will see this option which is called scan with Microsoft Defender. You will click on this one and it will quickly scan it. And now here you can see that it is saying that this file does not contain any kind of viruses. Okay, so the second option is actually going into the search option here and search for virus, and you will open up this which is like virus and threat protection, and then you will click on this scan options. Okay, so you will click on this scan option here, and now you can actually see different options. So quick scan, check folders in your system where threats are commonly found. So if you perform a quick scan, it will actually like scan some specific folders in your system where it think that there should be a virus there. And if you perform full scan, check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer, so it will actually perform the full scan of your system. It will scan like each and every file in your system. So this will like this will actually take some time. And then we have custom scan. Okay, so in custom scan you can actually choose which drive you want to scan or which folder you want to scan. So if I click custom scan and if I click on scan now, it will actually now ask me to select any file or select any drive and folder here. Okay, so that's how you can actually scan your system for any kind of viruses. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.